Synergize by Stephen Covey. Synergize together for better results. It is important to understand this by a story, The Big Bad Badgers. On Saturday, the friends often got together to play soccer in Uncle Bud's park. Sometimes they would have pick-up games with whoever else showed up. One day, the big bad badgers came to the park. And you want to play soccer? Said the big bad badgers. Well, we will beat you, but we will play because there is no one else around. The challenge was put forth clearly, but everybody wanted to play the game. The friends huddled together and squashed like bugs, said boo. Yes, I am out here, said Pookie. I am going home to paint, said Lily. Wait, said Sophie. They may look big and scary, but were experienced. We can beat them, and Jumper will soon have scored loads of goals. We will show them who's the boss, said Jumper. It took some work, but Sophie and Jumper finally convinced the others to play. So all the team was all set to play. Well, everybody was convinced to play. But before the team even knew what had happened, the Badgers had scored 3 points. Jumper tried hard to shoot, but none of the gang would pass the balls to him. Sophie and Sammy kept tripping over their tails. Lily stopped to pick flowers. Be focused. Pokey lay down and took a nap. Coop took out his magnifying glass and looked for ants. Ellie finally scored a goal, but it was for the other team. The Badgers now had 4 points. This is a waste of time, said one of the Badgers. We are going home. Wait a minute, said Jumper. I need to talk to my team. He called his team to the sideliners. We can still win the game, he said. Forget it, said Pokey. They will turn us into a mashed potatoes. No, said Sophie. They may be bigger and stronger than us, but we can beat them if we play as a team. Let us use our assets. Our what? Asked Lily. Our strengths, said Sophie. Pokey, you play a goalie and stick out your quills to score those nasty Badgers. Jumper, just keep shooting since that's what you are good at. Sammy, use your big bushy tail to pass the ball. Lily, when you're not picking flowers, you are great at hedges. You know, Goob, you are huge, so just get in their way. Ellie, you did a good job. Now just head for the right goal this time. Come on, guys, let's be a team. Everyone agreed to try Sufi's idea. But what Sufi suggested was focusing on everybody's strength and then the team to work together. Stick around, said Jumper to the Badger. We are back in the game. Nothing's going to change, said the meanest Badger. You will see. The two teams faced off. The Jumper passed the ball to Sufi. Sufi passed it to Lily. Lily headed it to Sammy. Sammy used the tail to push it to Jumper. Jumper kicked the ball into the goal. Goal! Yelled Goof. Everybody was very happy for this achievement. Now, the team was really excited. Lily headed the ball to Sammy, scored another point. Pokey stuck out his quills whenever the Badgers came close. Goob used his big body to get in the way of the forwards. Jumper and Sufi scored 2 more points. The game was tied 4-4 and both the teams were getting tired. Let's keep going till someone scores the winning point, yelled Jumper. Let's keep going till someone scores the winning point, yelled Jumper. I just thought of really an original play, said Sufi. Come again, said Goo. A play that's never been tried before, said Sufi. She huddled with the team and explained her idea. Let's go and give it our best try. Well, the next time they had the ball, they tried out Sufi's idea. Goop passed the ball to Lily. Lily headed to Sammy. Sammy looks for Jumper. But Jumper was guarded by several Badgers from the corner of his eyes. Sammy saw that Allie was free. Me. Allie shouted. Sammy kicked the ball to her. Just as the Badger charged Allie, she dodged and caught the ball. But as she ran for the goal, she tripped and fell. Sally, as she fell flat on her face, yet somehow the ball caught the side of her head bong and the ball sailed into the goal for the winning point. We won! Screamed the team. Arrive for the alley. Goop lifted Allie up onto his shoulders. Good game, said the Badgers. Captain, you guys were better than I thought. Thanks, said Jumper. Let's play again sometime. Sure, said the captain, as long as Allie plays on our team. This is an example of Habit 6. Synergize together is better when we work as a team. Things are better and the results are improved.